It is a cold, rainy, nasty day out. But at least we're not getting any snow at 40 degrees. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Trevor, and it's train time. Well, I'm in my car because as you saw at the beginning of the video, it is cold, rainy, and windy, and it's 40 degrees out here in Marshall, Virginia. Unlike yesterday when we were in Brunswick, Maryland, when it was 50 degrees and sunny out. But we're waiting on two double stacks. One's pretty full. The second one is just a lot of empties, but I did see 5 power units at the beginning, so that should be pretty cool to see. And they should be here shortly. That wind and rain is really coming down now. my towel down because it was getting wet in the car while I was filming. But when you saw those 5 power units, you thought this was going to be a long, heavy train, but instead it was just a couple of container cars and a whole bunch of empties and a gondola and a couple of box cars at the end. But still, all in all, pretty good. Like I said, a cold, rainy day here in Virginia, and I think that's going to do it from Marshall, Virginia. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails. Stay dry.